Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sierra. For those of you who are new here, I welcome you, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to be doing a pre-vacation cleanup. Yes, that means I'm going to be cleaning my whole entire house. So I hope that I'm bringing you guys some end of summer cleaning, vacation, motivation. Due to the fact that I will be going on vacation, I'm going to go ahead and clean up now, as when I come back on Monday, it is time for me to go back to work. I definitely have enjoyed my summer break and took the summer off of classes, but it's time for me to get back out there, taking classes and getting closer towards earning my bachelor's degree in elementary education for kindergarten through 6th grade. Today's video is a collaboration with All Things Nelly. Be sure to check her link in my description box down below, as we will be putting together some cleaning motivation for you all. Over on All Things Nelly, you guys can check out her channel. She does some vlogs, hauls, try-on hauls, fashion, and more. And I'm just going to sit back, relax, and let you guys get some motivation out of this video. I know that there's some things on your kitchen table, or you need to vacuum, or you need to go through old clothes. You also need to clean your bathrooms and just tidy up around the house. This is the video for you. I hope that you all enjoy. I'm not exactly sure how many days it's going to take for me to get my house in order before heading on vacation, but it is approaching very soon, and I need to have this house cleaned. So I did start off with today, after making some breakfast and trying to get started on the living room. The living room was one of the least of my concerns, but it's something that I don't want to leave a mess either. So I went ahead and got my pillows together, all of my papers and things like that together, and eventually got my desk as well. I am spraying my couch just because of the simple fact that I want my house to smell good. I want my furniture to smell good. I want to give it one good vacuum, hopefully before we get ready to leave, and to get this done. I did buy this candle a couple days ago from Home Goods. It's Ocean Mist in Amber. It smells so good, and it's one of those wooden wicks, which just means that every time you light it, you pick off a little piece so that it easily lights up again. To get in the mood for vacation, I went ahead and lit this, and to get in the mood for cleaning, I went ahead and lit it as well. Like I said before, my desk area is one of the places that I clean on a daily, just because I pull things out to write down, also editing and things like that. Finally took like a little break for breakfast and to get the trash out. Any like trash as far as like cardboard and stuff like that I take, so I just went ahead and put that in the car. I want to go ahead and get these dishes knocked out of the way with, so that we don't have to worry about coming back to any dirty dishes in my sink. So I do spray my sink with Miss Meyer's multi-purpose spray first, and then I'll go in and add in the dish soap to wash the dishes. Anything that had been in there, such as like grease or anything else, I did go ahead and wash out when I used that multi-surface cleaner. And once I get the dishes done, I'm gonna go on to the next thing, which is to get ready to move my noodle board back to where it belongs and get ready to just put things away for good. After sweeping, I went ahead and got ready to go and clean up the bathroom. The bathroom is definitely something that you want to have cleaned before your vacation so that you come back to a fresh, clean bathroom. I went ahead and cleaned the sink, the toilet, and the tub will be cleaned the morning before we get ready to go, just because everybody will need it the night before. And so also I have a bunch of laundry I need to do today, so I will need to go ahead and get that out of the way with. Meanwhile, keep watching. One thing about it is that there is nothing wrong with having a clean kitchen to come back home to. I normally keep my noodle board over here on top of my deep freezer because it's easier to keep at when the stove is hot, so that I'm not destroying my noodle board. Eventually, I did go ahead and get like my clothes started in the washer and in the dryer so that I can sit down and eventually bust down these 2 loads of laundry between myself, Charles, and Cam. And I just wanted to get it all out of the way with so that I can fold them all at one time. Found 20 cents while cleaning. Laundry is something that's always ongoing on a weekly basis, and I'd rather have these clothes washed, folded, and put away before having to come back next week and throw a whole new load in before heading back to work. it's definitely time to go ahead and get my kitchen mopped and cleaned, as this is like a weekly thing. So I use my spinning mop by Mr. Clean to get this up. I will have this linked in my description box down below if you like this type of mop. I am using Mr. Clean to go ahead and put this in and get this floor mopped. The good thing about this mop is that you can take the head off and put it right into the washer, allow it to air dry and not get moldy or anything else. Sweeping up is the first thing I'm going to do to make sure I got up all of the dirt before I mop. Some of the last minute things that I needed to do was clean the rugs in the bathroom. So I went ahead and washed those, put them back down. Eventually I need to get ready to get the kids' stuff put together and wash their bed stuff and put that back on their bed, just to give their stuff a clean feel for the week 2 before coming back. As we come towards the end of the video, I really wanted to say thank you so much to All Things Nelly for participating in a collaboration with me. I hope that you all go and check out her cleaning motivation that she is giving you all today. Please be sure to let her know that Ciara sent you over, and go ahead and subscribe to her channel. I'm so glad that you guys stayed to the end of this video to get all the summer cleaning motivation that you needed. Now that I am done summer cleaning and preparing for vacation and things like that, it's best to just have a clean home. So if you're interested in wondering where in the world I am off to for my vacation, stay tuned for that, because there will be a whole playlist coming soon.